Wadi Auri burned all who never support his party.
You get me? Some man not drawing a card and bout. Them couldn't reach and rare. You get me? Me know real youth. And people me are telling you this. Some people stand upside down now in a dance. Watch them. Watch them.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless all my greetings, all my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, big up on the jam myself. You see? Health over wealth. Anyone that will follow my respect, you know, you don't know. That's what I say. I appreciate you all. Zine, I'm not telling a lie. On the 1st of July. That's what I say. Yes, man. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to please consider subscribing and subscribe. Hit the bell so you always get that alert and welcome. Zine, big up all of the original and from day one. I don't know. All for love and respect. See what I'm saying? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So if you give thanks to life now, give thanks to the arising, the preservation of life. Life is the greatest, no matter where you have, the little that you have. You know what I mean? No matter if you walk, ride bicycle, or you drive, give thanks to life. See? No matter if you're rich or you're poor, give thanks to life. Life is the greatest. Life is what matters. Enough people rich and under the ground. Enough people rich today, broke by next week. You see what I say? Enough people broke today and rich by tomorrow, later too. See? So always remember to do, give thanks and be appreciative. So I say, now my viewers and subscribers coming up in this vlog, you don't know. There are a few topics we're going to touch right now, you see me? Like my wife using Obia to get rid of me. You see, a 17-year-old, I don't know, gone down in Westmoreland, you see me? Wishka, gone down in Clarendon, you know what I mean, 2 others injured. And also determined, PH, boom boom, brawling. Should I say brawling? Yeah, so boom boom supports R. Kelly, determined, respond, I say, you know? So we're gonna get into that, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know the routine, no quick intermission because we have to keep sending the message. Said?
Words of advice and encouragement. Trigger finger, say the mid. Another road, none of fire while shot. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Who are issue can't chat? Feed the killie, then go shoot up the black. Stop, 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 stop.
Yes, man. Stop, 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 stop. Zine, we have to keep sending the message. Tell you them to stop the violence and the crime. You know what I mean? We don't have a big voice, but we have to keep reiterating it. That's what I say? Yeah, man, that's what I say. Pollen, pardon me. Leaf them, you know, the pollen, I don't have hay fever, but they leaf them summertime. That's what I say. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So first, we kicked off with I don't know, the dear pastor. I say this. I would like for you guys to give your opinion. Zine. So the man is saying, dear pastor, I am 60 years old, and I am thinking about retirement. My wife says that she's not coming back to Jamaica. When we got married, I told her that it was until death do us part. But I am getting scared of this woman. My wife believes in Obia. She is constantly burning incense to run away duppies, and she rubs herself up in stinking oil before coming to bed. When she does not want me to touch her. Zine. So basically this man says I'm 60 and he's thinking about retirement, going back home to Jamaica. She says she now go back to Jamaica. She always burn incense and everything there. So I say, and I rub herself up in the aisle. Like, remind me, I rode the area. Where they say some man I rub up in the aisle and I go dance. Yeah, for old long people, but serious thing though. Guys, let me know what you think about that. And you think she's getting tired of him or Shava look a young boy, because I say, guy now. But I don't want him of the young boy and I don't know, 60-year-old man go down now service alright or this. You see me? Can be a little thing, but let me know what you think in the comment section. But in the comment section, in the star, you know, some people are say, should they have to sleep at ground? When somebody has said, just divorce her so you can live in peace in your old age. Do you agree with that? The next person is saying, I love you. See? Yes, the next person is saying, come to Jamaica. The girls love sugar daddy. you will be up and running in no time. So let me know what you think about my viewers and subscribers. I think man should give up on her or what, because it look like I'm not getting nothing from her, and she wrote the aisle where she rub up in her, I put him off and I throw him off. See? So let me know what you think about that, my viewers and subscribers. See? Next now, don't fight R. Kelly music. Selector Boom Boom and other patrons are saying. Event planners, singers, you know what I mean? His catalog is still classic. Let me know what you think about it. You know, R. Kelly is currently doing time. Zine? Yeah. R&B singer R. Kelly being sentenced to 30 years in prison for federal racketeering and, you know, SEX trafficking charges is no warrant for disc jockeys to stop playing his music, says Boom Boom. So Boom Boom say, yo, them should and other patrons, event planners say them should not stop playing R. Kelly music because a classic, and you know R. Kelly can deem as a legend, but he mess up himself. You know what I mean? Well, I don't know if I true I like them tell upon him, but you know, you can't doubt it because we see video circulating with him and do certain things, certain explicit things with young female, you know. So now them lash back at him, bring him to court, get them justice, and you know, them say them should ban his music. What do you think about that? You know, I think they should ban his music because he's now about a record, a serious record. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So I don't think about that. But in the comment section, Boom Boom page, determine page, you know, determine is me shock. See? Page Boom Boom and say. So you fly past you like me and go and defend R. Kelly. What R. Kelly? We not hearing you all playing the street authentic music. What? We not hearing you all playing the street authentic music, but I saw it go. It's all about the clout. We don't listen to certain artists and then go low. You see me? We don't listen to certain artists and then go low. The music low too. Okay? And them Billboard selector Boom Boom night as well. You see me? So this basically determines us, so you fly past the good authentic music them. I think a reggae matter. Zine and run gone different R. Kelly with them low music them. So I say Boom Boom look clout. I know what to think about that, my viewers and subscribers. Big up, determine, me shop. Zine? Next thing we're going to talk now, my viewers and subscribers. 17-year-old, you know I mean, gunned down in Westmoreland. John Star, Jaja.
Young bang, if you continue, you're gonna get a wrong bang. Mobile, Westmoreland, East Side. Make we go for a peace ride. Waterhouse, pull up on the seaside. Chew all of the guns and one on the bottom of the sea. And that's the pre.
The Westmoreland police are probing the death of 17-year-old Jane Francis, who was gunned down in the parish earlier today. Francis, otherwise called Jay of Rickett Street in Savalamar, was discovered with multiple, I don't know, shotguns in a yard along Ricketts Avenue. Boy, my viewers and subscribers, sad. Condolence to that 17-year-old, you know. He must maybe mix up. You never know. Or can be led because of scamming or mix up in a gang war and them. You never know. Reprisal, you never know. Always say, stop the crime. Zine, and condolence to him family them. Same way. Next, my viewers and subscribers, Clarendon, you know the SOE. I told that the SOE I live in a Clarendon. As I said, there's no need for it because the police have it under control. Zine, let me know if you think war will continue while once the SOE has lifted. And this is in Riska, killed in Clarendon, 2 others injured. 1 man is DEAD and 2 others hospitalized after gunmen invaded a shop in Sandy Bay, Clarendon last night. Gone is 26-year-old Dwayne Miller, also known as Riska. Boy, me I tell you, Riska, so go ya papa, you know. Ah boy. Clarendon, you know what I mean? Sandy Bay. So the man them run in our shop. Boom bang connect! You see me? Hit man, roll out, yang yang, pull up, loan bang bang. Everybody get wet, all children. Yes, your friend. You see me answer? Yeah man, we have to stop the crime. Condolence to Riska and his family and friends, you know what I mean? And we don't know if you mix up. As we say, if you don't mix up, you're not likely to get fixed up. You see me answer? So you have to know who you hang around with and who you associate yourself with. Be careful what you're saying around people because people will go back and say what you never say. You end up losing your life, or people are pre you or malice you. I don't know for what reason. You see? So be good, do good, stay good, do the right thing, help someone if you can. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that and the crime rate in Jamaica. And the SOE, do you think the SOE, once it's lifted in Clarendon and St. Catherine again, I think the violence is gonna escalate again? I think it's gonna spiral out? Let me know what you think in the comment section. I don't know. I'll line for another vlog. Was a blessed Friday. You know what I mean? Don't forget to like and share the content. Your support is highly appreciated. Big up Boom Boom, big up Determined. You know what I mean? Big up that husband there who his wife put him off. And you, stop the crime and violence. Then, I'll line for another vlog already to another boss now, bro. I'm out. Not another word that I'm out. Yeah, man.
All who the on the line and a chop. And have man lay a pop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. The friendship code crack. Friend a stop, friend not back. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.